Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Dynatrace. First, you'll need to create a Dynatrace account. This is your gateway to powerful full-stack monitoring. Next, decide on your deployment type, either a cloud-based SaaS solution or an on-premises managed deployment. Each option offers unique benefits, so choose the one that best fits your organization's needs and infrastructure. The core of Dynatrace is one agent, a single agent that automatically discovers and monitors your entire environment. To deploy it, simply download the One Agent installer tailored for your operating system. Once downloaded, execute the installer with administrative privileges. This straightforward process ensures comprehensive data collection across your applications and infrastructure with minimal effort. Once One Agent is installed, it immediately begins collecting performance data from your systems. You can then dive into the Dynatrace user interface to explore your environment's topology and review detailed performance metrics. Take advantage of custom dashboards and alerts to keep a close eye on your critical services, ensuring you're always aware of potential issues. Dynatrace offers advanced features like AI-powered root cause analysis, which helps you quickly pinpoint and resolve issues, saving valuable time. You can also integrate Dynatrace with various third-party tools to enhance automation and streamline your workflows even further. For those looking to deepen their understanding of financial independence, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. This comprehensive approach ensures optimal performance and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.